Alright, feel free to dance along. It's all about dancing, so I'd love to see you dance. I'm gonna dance. Hallelujah, it's Friday.
It's Thursday.
I've been working all week. I got a feeling inside me. Feeling like moving my feet. One big step to the front, two little slides to the right, three big do whatever makes you wanna keep dancing tonight. Everybody move, groove, get holes in your dancing shoes. If you wanna grind, that's fine. The weekend's a wonderful time. Can you feel that thunder? Thunder underneath your feet. The rhythm of that drummer brings the dancer out of me. One big step to the front, two little slides to the right, three big do whatever makes you wanna keep dancing tonight. Everybody move, groove, get holes in your dancing shoes. If you wanna grind, that's fine. The weekend's a wonderful time. The weekend's a wonderful time. The weekend's a wonderful time. So find a partner and pull them tight. Your heart beats harder. There's no need to fight. Emotions high, so fear can fade. Don't you be frightened. Well, it's gonna be great. Everybody move, groove, get holes in your dancing shoes. If you wanna grind, that's fine. The weekend's a wonderful time. The weekend's a wonderful time. The weekend's a wonderful time.